Google Play Developer account. Hello everyone, we will learn how to open a Google Play Developer account if you don't have one already. You will use this account to publish your application on Google Play. You will need to open an account in this platform. So after that, you can publish your application APK file on Google Play. So first, we will open Google Chrome. Second, you will need a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, where have you been? You will need to create one. Then you just sign in with your Gmail account. The Gmail account, of course, is vital these days because you will use this Gmail account everywhere. If you publish a paid application, for instance, you will receive your money from Google Play using this Gmail account. Or if you add Google Ads into your applications, you will get your advertising revenue with this Gmail account. So you will use this Gmail account everywhere. All right, so I signed in with a Gmail account, and then I'll write Google Developer account on Google. And then I'll click on this link. So this link will open the Google Developer account page. And I'll click on the Sign In button. So after that, this page opens, and there are 4 steps. And now we will accept the developer agreement. You should read the agreement and check the Accept checkbox. So after that, you can click Continue Payment button. Now, the developer fee is €25, and you will pay this fee just one time. It's not an annual or a monthly fee, and you can publish as much as you want and as many applications as you need to, as you want to, using this particular account. So when you click on Continue to Payment button, this credit card page will open, and you can write your credit card details in here. I'm not going to continue on from here because I already have an account. I've already paid my fee, so I'll use that account after this, but I did want to show it to you for that reason. So after you have created your account, you can sign in with your account and get to this page and go from here. So that's how to open a Google Developer account. And we will publish our application in the next video. So I hope to see you there.